Trezor Safe 5 versus the Trezor Safe 3. Which one should you choose? Trezor has been a leader in the hardware wallet security, and with its introduction for the Trezor Safe 5 and the Trezor Safe 3, users now have more options than ever. But what are the key differences between these two models? In this guide, we'll compare the Trezor Safe 5 versus the Trezor Safe 3, breaking down their security features, supported assets, design, price, and help you basically decide which is the best fit for your crypto storage needs. And so before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that we are going to look at are the overview of both products. Let's start with the Trezor Safe 3. The Trezor Safe 3 is a refreshed version of the classic Trezor hardware wallets. Designed for affordability and security, it features a compact design, a secure element chip, and supports thousands of cryptocurrencies. They have the secure element chip for protection against physical attacks. It supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. It works with Trezor Suite and third-party wallets. It has a compact OLED screen with 2-button navigation, and it is available in 4 colors. You have black, you have white, you have gold, and lastly, you have galactic rose. Moving over to the Trezor Safe 5. It is the premium model in the lineup, featuring a touchscreen interface, enhanced security features, and faster processing. It is designed for more advanced crypto users looking for maximum security and usability. Now the features are going to be the touchscreen interface for easy navigation. It uses the Trezor Secure chip, and it has the Shamir backup. It supports over 8,000 cryptocurrencies. It is more powerful processor, and it is used for faster transaction and signing. And lastly, they have the enhanced passphrase protection for this specific model right here. And moving forward, let's talk about their security. Now for the Trezor Safe 3, it features a secure element chip to protect against physical tampering. It is fully open source firmware, allowing security audits. They also have the standard 24-word recovery seed, and they have passphrase protection. It's available but requires manual input. Meanwhile, for the Trezor Safe 5, it has enhanced secure element chip with Shamir backup support. They have the passphrase management. It's directly on the device, so no need for manual input. They have touchscreen PIN entry and eliminates key logging risk. They have faster encryption and decryption for improved security. Now the winner is going to be Trezor Safe 5 as it offers better security features, especially with Shamir backup and passphrase management. Now for user experience and design. The Trezor Safe 3 is small, compact, and lightweight. They have simple OLED screen with 2-button controls. They also work seamlessly with the Trezor Suite and external wallets. Meanwhile, for the Trezor Safe 5, they have larger touchscreen display for easier interaction. They have more intuitive PIN and passphrase security, and it has faster transaction signing due to an upgraded processor. The winner is going to be the Trezor Safe 5 for user experience and design. The touchscreen makes it more user-friendly and efficient. And so, let's talk about their supported cryptocurrencies. Both device supports over 8,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin or BTC, Ethereum or also known as ETH, Cardano or also known as Adana, and lastly Solana, which is also known as SEO or Sol. Now they have the ERC20 token or the BEP20 tokens and more. They also have NFTs via third-party apps like MetaMask. Now the winner is going to be both devices as it supports the same assets. Moving forward, this is one of the more important topics, which is the price comparison. The Trezor Safe 3 pricing is going to be $80 or $79. It is affordable and budget friendly. Meanwhile, for the Trezor Safe 5, It is a 130 product. It offers premium features but at a higher cost. The winner in this category is going to be the Trezor Safe 3. It is more affordable but lacks as advanced feature, but it is just as safe as the Trezor Safe 5. And now for the backup and recovery, the Trezor Safe 3 offers standard 24-word seed phrase backup. They have no Shamir backup support. For the Trezor Safe 5, they have the Shamir backup support, allowing you to split your seed phrase into multiple parts for added security. They have easier recovery process thanks to the touchscreen. Now the clear winner is going to be the Trezor Safe 5. Shamir backup adds an extra layer of protection. Moving forward, let's talk about their customer support and firmware updates. Trezor Safe 3 has regular firmware support or update from the Trezor to improve security and compatibility. They have access to the Trezor customer support through email and community forums. They have full open source firmware, allowing for independent security audits. Meanwhile, for the Trezor Safe 5, they have more frequent firmware update due to the newer hardware and advanced security features. They have dedicated customer support with priority response from premium users. They have enhanced software integration for improved security and usability. Now the clear winner is going to be the Trezor Safe 5. It has more frequent updates and has better support for the advanced users. And so, which one should you choose? You want to choose the Trezor Safe 3 if you need a more affordable, secure hardware wallet. You want to choose the Trezor Safe 3 if you prefer a simple, compact design with button controls. And lastly, you want to choose this product if you don't require Shamir backup or a touchscreen. And now, you want to go ahead and choose the Trezor Safe 5 if you want a touchscreen for easier pin entry and fast phrase management. You need Shamir backup for enhanced seed phrase security. You prefer faster transaction signing and an upgraded processor. Now in conclusion, Trezor Safe 5 and Safe 3, who wins? Both wallets offer excellent security, but they cater to different type of users. If you want a simple, affordable hardware wallet, you want to go for the Trezor Safe 3. If you need a more advanced security feature and a touchscreen, you can then go ahead and choose the Safe 5. Which Trezor wallet do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Once again, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.